Welcome to Thurston Elite. In this video, we'll walk you through how to add funds to your account quickly and securely. To get started, log into your Thurston Elite member dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Add Funds section. You'll see two available payment options. First, you can add funds using the payment card already on file. Simply select the credit or debit button, enter the amount you'd like to deposit, and confirm the transaction. Your funds will be processed immediately, and a confirmation will appear on screen. The second option is wire transfer. If you choose wire transfer, enter the amount you wish to add and submit your request. An invoice will then be sent to the email address on file for your account with detailed wire instructions. Please note that wire transfers include a small transaction fee, which will be reflected on the invoice. Once your wire transfer is received and processed, the funds will be credited to your Thurston Elite account, and you'll receive a confirmation notification. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is always here to help. Thank you for being a member of Thurston Elite.
I'll show you